Welcome po to Reviewers, a compilation of exam reviewers and item explanations. Let's consider this problem. The graph below shows the percentage of students who passed an Introduction to Economics exam. If each exam has 2 trials and a quarter of students who passed in 2007 passed in the first trial, what percentage of all students who took the exam that year passed in the second trial? A. 10, B. 15, C. 30, D. 75, or E. Cannot say. So ang gagawin natin dito po is we are going to look into the problem carefully so we could consider a sample size. Let me use here a pen. Okay? And binigay na po sa problem natin that we are just on 2007. In short po, ito lang po yung ating i-consider. All of the students, 40% in percentage, passed the 2007 examination. But there are additional details here. It's given that there are 2 trials here and a quarter of students who passed in 2007 passed on that first trial. And then we are asked about ano po yung percentage na nakapasa sa second trial. We could see here that in 2007, a total of 40% of all student takers passed the examination. If a quarter or 1/4 of it passed on the first trial, that would mean only 10% passed on the first trial. So if this is our graph, ibig sabihin po nito, if we have this percentage passed on the first trial. This would mean that yung natitirang percentage natin, ito po yung nakapasa sa ating second trial. But what percentage is this? Now, some of us might jump into conclusion na, parang 75% yan. Kasi nga, 3 out of 4. But let's look at the problem carefully. Yung tanong natin, what percentage of all students who took the exam that year passed on the second trial? That would mean it considers all students who took the exam. Okay? Ibig sabihin nito, we are going to consider po the entirety of the population. This would mean this is not 75%. Baka yung iba sa atin, sasagutin yung letter D dito. Okay? So yung tamang sagot is only focusing on the criteria on all students. In short, this is still 40% and less 10%. Itong natitirang percent po, ito po yung nakapasa sa second trial sa 2007. At yung tamang sagot natin ay letter C. Because this is the percentage of all students who passed that year, which is specifically on the second trial because we already given the 10% po ay nakapasa sa first trial natin. If yung tanong natin ay mag-change, say for example, yung tanong dito, what percentage of all students who passed on that exam that year passed in the second trial? If yun po yung kulatilya dito, who passed the exam, so yung ibig sabihin, we were going to reduce our sample space to just this 40 and 30% out of 40 is 75. But then again, yung tanong natin, all students who took the exam that year. Hence, ito po yung tamang sagot. So once again po, ito po yung reviewers. Don't forget po to subscribe on our channel, like our videos, and if kaya naman po, pakishare na lang din po. And leave a comment po for our future videos improvement. And follow our FB page and stay tuned for more videos. Maraming salamat!